Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a must-have addition for every beauty enthusiast, the AOA Studio Collection Makeup Sponge Set. This set of 6 latex-free, high-definition Wonder Blenders promises to elevate your makeup game. Let's unpack all the details, share my experience with them, and see if these sponges live up to the hype. First, let's talk about what you're getting. These sponges are designed for versatility, whether you're working with BB cream, foundation, concealer, powder, or liquid products. Made from latex-free material, they're a great choice for anyone with sensitivities. Their super soft texture is a standout feature, and the unique shape makes them easy to grip and perfect for precise application. Plus, they can be used wet or dry and are simple to clean, an absolute win for busy makeup lovers. When I tested these sponges, I started with my go-to foundation. Dampening the sponge, I noticed how effortlessly it absorbed water without becoming overly soggy. The application was smooth, leaving a flawless, airbrushed finish. For dry use, the sponge performed equally well with powder products, delivering a controlled, even layer without caking. The pointed edge was perfect for hard-to-reach areas like the corners of the eyes, while the rounded side made blending a breeze. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: super soft texture that feels gentle on the skin, versatile design for wet and dry use. Works seamlessly with various products like cream, liquid, and powder. Latex-free material is ideal for sensitive skin. Easy to clean, which extends their usability. Cons: the smaller size might not be ideal for quick application on larger areas like the neck. Some users might prefer a denser sponge for heavier foundation coverage. Price-wise, this set offers exceptional value. With 6 high-quality sponges, you're paying a fraction of what similar products cost from premium brands. Given their performance and durability, they're an affordable alternative to pricier beauty tools. Speaking of alternatives, if you're looking for something similar at an even lower price point, the generic options you'll find in discount stores may work, but they rarely match the softness or longevity of this set. On the other hand, more expensive options like the iconic Beauty Blender deliver similar results, but come at a much steeper price for just one sponge. The build quality of these sponges is commendable. The latex-free material feels durable yet pliable, and even after multiple washes, they retain their softness and structure. Longevity isn't something I can fully vouch for yet, but so far, they've held up beautifully without tearing or losing shape. If you're familiar with AOA Studio, you'll know they have a solid reputation for offering budget-friendly yet effective products. While I didn't need to reach out to customer service, the brand's positive track record gives me confidence in their reliability. In summary, the AOA Studio Collection Makeup Sponge Set is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking affordable, high-performing makeup tools. These sponges tick all the boxes for softness, versatility, and ease of use, making them an essential addition to any beauty kit. Before we go any further, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more tips, tricks, and reviews from Beautyistic. Final verdict: if you're looking for an affordable alternative to high-end beauty sponges, this set is a no-brainer. The quality, functionality, and price make it a standout in its category. Whether you're a makeup pro or just starting your journey, this collection is bound to impress. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've already tried these sponges, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. And if you're interested in getting this set, check out the link in the comments box. Goodbye for now, and remember, at Beautyistic, beauty isn't just a routine, it's an experience. See you next time.